Welcome, valued author. I hope you are having an amazing day. Thank you for choosing TCK Publishing as your partner in starting your book writing career. My name is Robbie, and today I will walk you through the process of buying your domain and hosting accounts so we can get started working on your custom ordered website. Let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is visit Godaddy.com. So once inside, you will see a search bar over here on the topmost part of the page. So you have to think of a unique name or a branding name for your website. So for this example, let's search for a random domain name that we could think of. Let's say Awesome Book Author. Search for the domain name if it's available or not. So let's ask Godaddy if it is available, and it says that awesomebookauthor.com is available. So don't feel bad if the keyword or the name that you want to search for or want to use as your domain name is not available. You can see on the bottom area of Godaddy that it has an additional feature where it suggests different types of various names or various domain names that it is available for you. So you have the option to do that, but if you get this result like we did, so since this one is available, we can just proceed to our next part, which is continue to cart. Press this button. It will take you to the next page where it will suggest these additional purchases. So if you come to this page, you have the option to avail these additional features, but you don't really have to need this. You don't really have to add this purchase unless you want to. So you can decide on this one yourself, but I suggest for this tutorial you have to ignore these additional sales. So just select on no thanks and proceed continue to cart. It will then take us to a page where we evaluate our purchase if we have the correct value. So it says total $30. I think that is not right because I believe we only purchased it at $11.99, I think. So if you see that the numbers don't add up, make sure to check your purchase again. So we will review our purchase right here. It says here that our domain registration is $29.98. So it is broken down to 2 years. So first year is $11.99 and the 2 years above is $17.99. So you have the option to buy your domain name 2 years ahead, or for this tutorial or this example, we're just going to buy our domain for 1 year. So your domain name for 1 year is valued at $11.99. So the total here is $12.17, since they also included some additional taxes, I guess. Yeah, so they included some taxes. So that's about 18 cents. So that's why it reached $12.17. So that's about it. You just have to proceed with your purchase and you're done. But oh wait, we cannot proceed with our checkout. So I think you have to create an account with GoDaddy since it requires you to sign in to purchase. So that wouldn't be a trouble for you. You just have to get a GoDaddy account, just register, fill up the requirements, fill up the form, sign up and log in, and then go through the same process that I've instructed earlier again, and you're good to go. You already have your domain name. And let's proceed to the next part, which is getting our hosting account. So for that, we have to go to a different site. So we recommend working with Bluehost. So once you're inside Bluehost, you just have to do the same process again, register and purchase a specific plan. So let's get started on setting up our hosting with Bluehost. So let's click this button right here. Let's get started. It will take you to the next page where it will have various offerings. Okay, you can see here that Bluehost are offering 4 types of plans. So they have different plans available. You can choose whatever you want. It depends on what types of features that you need for your hosting provider. But for this example, since you are just starting your website, you can just go ahead with the basic one. Since these other features, you don't really need it for now yet, but you can do so later on when your site grows enough that you might need these other extra features. But don't worry about that for now. So let's just go ahead and select the basic, which is around $3.99 per month. So select this one. Okay, so the next step is either create a new domain or use a domain you own. So you don't have to fill up this first box since we already have a domain, the one that we purchased from Godaddy. So if you successfully purchase your domain on Godaddy from the previous website that we've gone through, you just have to put here the domain name that you have purchased. So like here, use a domain you own. So just fill it in with the domain or the domain name that you have and proceed to next. From here on, you just have to it will take you to a page where you have to fill in the form. So you just have to sign up or get an account with Bluehost, and once you've successfully fill up the form, fill up the information that is needed, your contact information, your email addresses, etc., etc., it will then take you to a page to check out and pay your monthly services for Bluehost. So we couldn't really show it to you in this video, but it is an easy process. You don't have to worry about it. Just follow the process and again review your purchase if it is the right amount. So after this, you've successfully registered an account with Bluehost. So be sure to keep your login details, your accounts. So save your usernames and password both in GoDaddy and on your Bluehost account. So we will be requesting you to give those information to us, since those information are very vital for us to set your website. So that is it for this video tutorial. We are very excited to work on your custom order website. So we look forward to working with you, and thank you for choosing TCK Publishing once again. Have a nice day.